just for Darchinya's aggressiveness, he probably won that previous round. You see the way.
Right.
He connected that point.
Nakita mo yung roll ni Gores dun sa punch na yun. That was key, no? Yung roll with the punches.
But it's a very close fight. That we can say. Very close fight.
Knockdown scored kanina. A questionable one sa first round by Darchinyan, but a legitimate knockdown scored by Gores in the second round. Scheduled for 12.
You know, this is going to come down to who wants it more. We've got just a few rounds left.
He should stop him with that jab. That's what he should do. Just like that. Just like that.
Para hindi makaporda si Darchinyan.
Right.
Gores just needs to shoot that jab. Shoot the jab.
Si Butchoy, kung susundan yung karir niya, kung merong isa lang na nakita namin na weakness, is yung kanyang staying power. Yung stamina.
But Butchoy is not able to tuck that left hand any longer.
Well, he showed some power in the earlier rounds. I mean, you heard Darchinyan a lot of times. Not just once, not just twice, but a few times. Several times, actually. So, I mean, being hurt in the early round, Darchinyan is still vulnerable for a big shot that can take him down.
Ready for the taking yun is Darchinyan.
Right. I mean, you can see from his face, he's straining as well. You know, expecting if something he gets hit.
See, Darchinyan doesn't have a jab.
No,
absolutely no jab.
He doesn't. The only time no jab is when he throws his straight.
Right.
Or overhand right or body. That's basically it.
He just looks to throw that left hand. That's every time. That's it. He looks to throw the left. See, even when he leads with the right hand, he will always throw that left. He's so predictable a fighter. So predictable.
That's one thing that Gores should take advantage of.
And Gores just looking to load up that left hand.
He should stick with his jab and then come out with that straight. See, the thing is, Darchinyan is doing the same thing. He should know that that's the punch. That's the punch.
Let's score a knockdown. Let's score a knockdown. That I think was a knockdown.
That was a knockdown.
He's too shaky. He doesn't have his legs.
Yeah, he's
doesn't have his legs.
What it is, Gores is fighting right now, is his pride as a fighter, as a person who was disrespected, and for his crowd, for his hometown. That's one thing that keeps him up. But he should know, that's why he's falling all over the place right now. But he should know that Darchinyan only wants to land that punch.
Ayaw si Gores, ayaw gumalaw. Absorbing the full impact of those punches.
I think Gores should be smart about it. Hold a little, move a little. You know, I take the time to recover.
Ayoko yung mata ni Gores.
No.
Haba ng pagod na fighter.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo pag-ulit sa recharge. He needs to recharge. We'll take a break. Ito po, importante yung mga next few rounds coming up for Butchoy. It's now or never.